Today, we're taking a look at the Sunbeam Tiger kit from AMT. The 125th scale full detail kit. And it is today's What's in the Box. Hey everyone, and welcome into today's What's in the Box. So initially this was released in 1967. This tooling goes back that far as the Get Smart Sunbeam Tiger. You remember the show Get Smart? And then this version came along in 2016. Let's check it out. And getting started with the body. And taking a look at the chassis piece, the chassis plate. It'll be part of the interior engine compartment area. And now taking a look at one of the suspension parts trees. It also has a second set of wheels on it, one of the custom set of wheels that you can use if you want with this kit. Okay, some of the suspension parts first. You have the wheels, wheel backs, rear part of the wheels, and we're going to move on to the next, call it whatever parts tree. Got some suspension pieces there, I believe, cross members, radiator, looks like a radiator hose. And these pieces here, piping. And now taking a look at the next parts tree, which has a random assortment of parts: the exhaust pipe, hood, interior bucket. We'll start with the interior bucket. Details faint, but it's there. A bunch of, you get a lot of flash as an added bonus. This is very old tooling. Here's the hood. Exhaust. And whatever those two pieces are for, I'm not really even sure at this moment. And moving on to the next parts tree, looks like you have some more exhaust pipes, firewall, looks like some body pieces, a top-down piece. And now moving on to the engine parts tree, which has a few loose parts. One being the carburetor. The carburetor fell off. The idea. And this piece also fell off. And now take a look at the dash and the seats. And take a look at the next part sheet, which has some custom pieces on it. A set of flares, fender flares. This is like a big spoiler piece, I think, or whatever. Some additional wheel backs with some. And we go on to the next custom parts tree. You have another set of front set of fender flares. Custom front bumper piece, I think that is, and then a big wing for out back. Front air dam. That's the front air dam there, yes, that's what that will be. And now moving on to the chrome parts tree. We'll start with the stock wheels there. Stock wire wheels. So start up here, you have front grille piece, steering wheel, indicators, not even sure. Again, the steering wheel there. You have the instrument cluster piece, which is nice that it's separate. And so down here you have some other bits, engine piece, side pipes as an option, air cleaner, valve covers. And then over here you have the front and rear bumpers. And now we're going to take a look at the tires. So the top set of tires is your custom tires. And then the bottom set will be the stock tires. And the last little bits of stuff to look at. And we'll get started with the decal sheet. And you can see it is got some really cool racing stripes and racing numbers, both pre-made, and you can make your own, along with other decals to do the racing version. And a miniature or a smaller version of the kit box. AMT was doing this for a while. I don't think some kids, this is one of the kits that got the collector mini box series 107. And you got your mailing list card. And then a product catalog for 2015. So that, my friends, is going to do it for this look at the Sunbeam Tiger kit from AMT, which you basically can build every single variation of this kit that was released with this issue. You can do the Get Smart, the custom, stock variation. I have no idea if you can get some Sunbeam color match paint and Scalefinishes, but if you even can find paint codes, if you can find that information. On that note, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.